This is a CRI middleware package. It's used by many Japanese video games to store audio and video. You need a CPK unpacker tool to extract the game assets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's the tool. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic CPK file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. A CPK file is a data archive used by CRI Middleware's Sofdec engine, commonly found in Japanese video games. It contains compressed game assets such as audio, textures, and models. CPK files are designed for efficient storage and streaming of game data, reducing load times and optimizing performance on various platforms. CPK files utilize a proprietary compression algorithm developed by CRI Middleware. The archive structure includes a header containing metadata about the stored assets, followed by the compressed data blocks. Game engines using Sofdec can directly access and decompress the data within the CPK file, enabling seamless integration of game assets. The CPK file is widely endorsed for use with Sofdec developed by CRI Middleware. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows provides limited insight into these files, so full extraction relies on dedicated archive software. The fastest route to the fix is testing every option. Right-click the CPK file and hit Open with Use Sofdec if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the CPK file won't budge, stay calm. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, use CPK Tool. Open the file using CRI Packed FileMaker, Unpacker, or a compatible game modding tool. Next, check game version. Ensure the CPK file is compatible with the game version you are running. Finally, rename extract. Rename the file extension to zip and use 7-zip to attempt extraction. If the CPK compatibility attempts failed, the problem is usually that the extension name is being used by a program you don't have installed yet. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. You need the power of file magic. It's the only tool I know that can instantly show the contents of a problematic CPK file, even if the extension has been wrongly renamed. Get it now at filemagic.com. We're wrapped up here. See you next time. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.